We got this crazy C5 in. It came in because a lifter ticked, so we're going to be changing out all these lifters. We got to pull the heads. We're going to do everything that's necessary to make sure this car is running right, reliable. We're going to be doing cam bearings, oil pump. First off, obviously, we got to drain the fluids. So we're going to be draining the coolant. We're going to be draining the oil, getting us ready to pull these heads. A lot of components do have to come off. Obviously, we're going to be pulling intake manifold, intake assembly. We're going to have to pull this supercharger. We're going to have to pull this alternator bracket. We're going to have to pull off the exhaust manifolds, all the above. In the interior of this car, the carbon wheel with the carbon center console looks really nice. Actually got the same wheels as me, C7 Z06 wheels. Chrome, of course, you got to do chrome. Chrome on black cars is the only right move. I'm really feeling these headlights. These headlights are clean. With this carbon hood, it's super aggressive. Whole long list, but we got to start somewhere, so let's get into it.